I'm on the lab, it's different, that's smoking good dope. I'm on it.
Fuck is you talking about TV? You already dead TV. You know I don't play. You know I don't play.
What's poppin', man?
The hype train, Reese. It may look good. Hey, how you say it?
This shit gon'
Get ugly.
When this cat hit
You
your
feel
mouth.
me?
Yeah, nah, they know what's up.
Rain versus Reese, man. Talk about it.
They already know, man. I mean, he came hard. I knew he was gonna come hard.
You know we talked in my interview, right?
Yeah.
I told you.
Yeah, we talked.
Would you be able to audible and change up some shit in the middle of the round? And you definitely did that, man. Talk to me. How that was?
My nigga Rain. This is a Rain versus Reese interview recap right here.
Let's go. Talk to me.
I had to turn up. Like I said, man, I pulled up. I had to get right on. So my first round was a little thrown off. I will admit that.
Kicked his ass.
I wish I would have out the gate turned up with it. Cause this shit pearly. That shit was supposed to be, but it wasn't, dog. And that would have, from there, that was the I was supposed to bounce off that.
This nigga second?
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
I'll never even, y'all know
going,
y'all know.
Rain, how you felt about this battle, man? Talk to me.
Man, this shit was crazy, bro. Like I ain't even gonna front shit.
Is he still considered a rookie at this point?
I mean, he's still a rookie.
Okay.
But
But
the whole rookie class right now,
can't fuck with him?
yo, boy, look at him.
Boy, look at him.
Don't play with this young man. Don't play with him. Hey, he got a great future ahead of him, man.
Yeah.
Don't play with him though. Listen, y'all see this battle on camera, y'all watch it second. Y'all understand why I'm telling y'all what the fuck I'm telling you.
I mean, the footage could be out tomorrow, you know what I'm saying?
Ooh,
That's how we
you
working. That's how we working. It could be out tomorrow, you know what I'm saying?
But yeah, like you said, the audibles, dog, his first was crazy. And you
Second was
know,
wild.
Let me ask you a question,
Our
Reese.
both our thirds was like,
Hold on. You gotta ask him the big boy question. Is this shit moving him now?
yeah, is it moving you now?
You feel
I
me?
gotta go. I can't
Yeah.
play.
Move now?
You
Okay.
can't play.
Okay.
You can't play.
He moved
And I
now.
didn't think I did. Like, I wrote the same, but now, you know what I'm saying, when I go into my next battle, I'm right, like,
Can't play with him.
can't play, can't slip, can't leave no room to, like,
No lacking.
but, yeah.
Shout out that nigga franchise. No lacking. For real.
Hey, y'all niggas had a dope ass battle. It was definitely battle of the night until battles kept happening, goddamn.
Until battles kept happening.
You feel me? But listen, if we talking about a clean back and forth, I will say y'all got battle of the night in that respect. In that respect. When it comes to the most debatable battle in the building, y'all definitely got that. You know what I'm saying? And that's what determines battle of the night. Because niggas gonna be watching this shit for a while like,
I knew he was coming with it.
I ain't slack on him. Everybody who thought I was gonna fucking slack on him because he was fucking rookie.
Hit him with two of them things.
two of them things.
He got me with some rebuttals too.
Yeah.
He caught it late the one of the third with the. I was like, damn, I hope this nigga. What this nigga did? All right, fuck it. And it was the opposite, but fuck it. Let it go. Let it fly. Fuck it. Throw it up there. Let's see if they catch it.
Kid a problem. Kid a problem. I promise you that.
Reese versus Rain, man.
Reese versus Rain, man. Hey, listen, when this battle drop, y'all gonna love this shit. Fuck is you talking about TV? You already dead TV. We got Reese, Rain. Y'all had a fire one, boy. I appreciate y'all.
I'm on the lab, he still finessing, smoking good dope. My homie roll running, say he